The National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Parker County in north central Texas until 2:30 a.m. At 1:24 a.m., National Weather Service meteorologists detected a severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This storm was located near Mineral Wells, moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. The severe thunderstorm will be near Coolant Mineral Wells State Park around 1:30 a.m., Weatherford around 1:40 a.m., Springtown around 1:55 a.m. If you are caught outside, seek shelter in a strong building and stay inside, away from windows until the storm has passed.
The current time is 1:25 a.m. Central Standard Time. You are listening to NOAA. All hands at 3.